Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write a short, easy and simple speech for Gandhi Jayanti celebration at your school. This speech is super easy and simple to remember and is suitable for kids to learn and recite. Now, let's get started with the video. First line is, Good morning everyone. Second line is, my name is. Here the kid will say his or her name. For example, I'm saying my name is Khushi Sharma. Third line is, today is 2nd October. Fourth line is, we are here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Fifth line is, it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Sixth line is, we call him the father of our nation. Seventh line is, he believed in truth and non-violence. Eighth line is, he taught us to always speak truth and be peaceful. Ninth line is, we should follow his teachings and be honest and helpful to everyone. Last line, that is line number 10 is, thank you all and have a nice day.